All right, folks, today we are going to change the OEM fog lights for much stronger ones. Let's get to it. These are the fog lights we're going to change. We're going to replace the OEM fog lights on the Ram for these. The Ram has halogens, and I'm going to replace them for LED. Supposedly these are 7200 lumens in light. We're going to do some comparisons and show you the old lights versus the new lights. All right, let's get to it. All right, folks, in order to get to the fog lights, I need to take this cover out, but I will also need to unbolt the top cover too as well, because there's going to be two bolts that are going to be fastening the bracket for the fog light, and you'll see that once I take this cover out. So let's take this cover out. You need a 8mm. Once you take this cover out, you're gonna see the whole assembly for the fog light. These two over here, you don't need to take them out, just unloosen them. Now move it up, and this here, there you go. Came right out. And now you can see the whole assembly right over here. This is the fog light assembly, and is being held by 5 bolts. So let's get to that. Those bolts are 10mm, and one back there, so I'm gonna need to get under the truck. Before I unloosen the 3 left bolts, which is one there and 2 up top, I'm gonna unclip the harness for the sensor so I can take the whole unit apart. I mean the whole bracket apart. And I don't want to unplug the sensor because it's not that easy. One now. The light. All right, so this is out. Now I need to unbolt it. All right, so now we need. I need to pull this out, and the reason why is because there's 2 bolts right over here. I don't know if you can see them, or you can. All right, well, let's take those out. Now that I take out the 5 bolts and I unclip the harness, I can take the whole setup for the fog lights. All right, folks, I would like to take a small moment, one, to thank you and appreciate all the viewers from watching our channel, but it will help us a lot if you would like and subscribe. So please subscribe. It will encourage us to film more videos. All right? Thank you. This is the bracket, the original bracket for the truck. The first thing you need to do is just unbolt these 7mm bolts. Just take them right out, and you free out the fog light. This is the old one, and this is the new one. Now let's install the new one. Let's see how the new one fits. Let's see, folks. And Houston, we have a problem. All right. So there's a small modification that you need to do to these fog lights. It's not necessarily 100% plug and play. The difference between this one and this one, I'll show you right now, is the adjustment. See? The new fog lights have an adjustment right over here. The OEM does not, and because of that, you need to cut a piece in the bracket to make sure that you slide this adjustment through. Otherwise, it does not fit properly. And you can see right here. So you need to cut this piece a little bit. Let me go ahead and cut it and show you how it fits. now let's try it out. And look at that. Now we have a perfect fit. So small modification. It's not a true plug and play, it's just a small modification. So now let's put the bolts in and try it out. All right, folks, I'm going to get under the truck and put the bolts with my hand first, and then I will tighten them up. It's easier to do it that way because it's kind of awkward. So let me get under the truck and install the new fog lamp, light lamp. Has to go like that.